Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from the Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Drawing and the course code is 53119. Dear students, today our topic is about overlapping technique. First of all, what is overlapping technique? The technique of overlapping in a composition is how all of the elements in a drawing, painting, or photograph overlap each other to help create the illusion of the third dimension. If the elements become too close together, it tends to flatten out the design and destroy the illusion of depth and space for the viewer. Overlapping in art. Overlapping in art is a placement of objects over one another in order to create the illusion of depth. Painting is a two-dimensional artistic expression. Overlapping. This obvious and very simple technique not only shows which objects are in front and which are in back, it's also a very important way of achieving a sense of depth and space in drawings. Notice the depth confusion when overlapping does not exist. You can see in this example. Overlapping shades and shadows. Naturally, the shapes and structure of three-dimensional objects can be understood only when viewed in some form of light. But it's really the shades and shadows created by this light that render the shades readable and discernible. So working with light, shade and shadow will dramatically help to give a drawing form and a sense of the third dimension. As you can see in this image, sense of third dimension. Example of overlapping. Another example. How the object overlap each other. You can see the overlapping object. can see the overlapping. Beautiful example of overlapping drawing. Thanks.